Hello and welcome to a bonus guide by Miner for Age of Empires 2 The Conquerors. This one is a civilization bonus guide, and in this video we're doing the Turks. And the unique unit is a Janissary, which costs 60 food, 55 gold. So if I were to create one, they're effectively a hand cannoneer. They got 44 health, hit points, 17 attack, and 10 armor, and 8 range. So if I create, nope, can't get them just yet. Maybe I need chemistry, I believe. No, oh, I need to wait to the Imperial Age anyway. But anyway, let's go to the Imperial Age. And upgrade to Elite and Janissary costs 850 food, 750 gold. So 44, 17, 108. And they can now go to 50 hit points, 22 attack, 20 armor, and 8 range. So you can't upgrade the range. If I were to get Vodkanari, it doesn't go up. But to upgrade the armor, you need to get the archer armor. So a fully upgraded, I believe that's it, yeah, fully upgraded Elite Janissary has 50 health, 22 attack, 5-4 armor, and 8 range. So having a bunch of them in a row, firing at any enemies coming towards you, is a pretty scary sight. Especially as the Elite Janissaries aren't always 100% accurate. They, just like hand cannoneers, they can fire slightly out of range. And that's quite useful for a huge army, not so useful for a single enemy unless they're close. Now, the unit technology for the Turks is artillery, which allows for their bombard towers, bombard cannons and cannon galleons to have an extra 2 range. Now before I explain more about the unit technology, there's probably another thing I need to explain about another of the bonuses that the Turks can get. At the moment I'm in the Castle Age, and you can get chemistry in the Imperial Age. So research Imperial Age, but you don't seem to have chemistry. That's because you get chemistry for free. You do, however, have to get research bombard towers as well as cannon galleons, but you don't need the chemistry to research that as well. And the same goes for bombard cannons. You can just create them straight out the bag. Don't need too many of you, and get a cannon galleon. There we go. Now the unit technology for the Turks is artillery, costing 500 gold and 450 stone. I thought the Teuton's unit technology was the only one to have stone, but I guess I was wrong. It would just be these two. And what it does is gives 2 extra range for bombard towers, which bombard towers, cannon galleons and bombard cannons. So bombard tower is on, let's just get all the range upgrades first. The bombard tower is on 11 range at the moment, the cannon galleons on 15 range, and the bombard cannons on 12 range. Artillery allows the bombard tower to go up to 13 range, the elite cannon galleon to go to 17 range, and the bombard cannon to go to 14 range. Now this elite cannon galleon, the Turks elite cannon galleon, has the highest range of any unit in Age of Empires 2 Conquerors, apart from the trebuchet that has siege engineers researched as well. Another bonus that the Turks can get is that creating their gunpowder units, for example the bombard cannons or the hand cannoneers from the archery range, which you don't need to research either, they cost 50% less, and they have an extra 25% hit points. So if I create hand cannoneers, they now have 44 hit points, whereas before I believe they only had about 36. I think it was about 36. Anyway, the team bonus for the Turks is that gunpowder units are trained 20% faster. And from what I can remember, I don't think there's any other unit that any other civilization that would benefit from this. The Turks also get an extra 15% speed for their gold miners. So for the time it would take a gold miner to get 100 gold, it would actually take a Turk gold miner 150, the same amount of time to collect 115 gold. Now, the final bonus for the Turks is that their light cavalry and hussar upgrade are free. So here's my scout cavalry. Go up to the Castle Age, and you can see it's automatically a light cavalry. And if I were to go to the Imperial Age, automatically a hussar. And this makes the Turks a very good civilization to have if you have a lot of food, because obviously you can create a lot of hussars and you don't need to worry about upgrading them. Those are all the bonuses for the Turks. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the final part for the Vikings.